Welcome back to Contained Not Constrained. We've had some major work on the container home begin this week. Watch as we have the air conditioning installation start and our plumbing. You'll also get to meet our chickens and, of course, see some of that cuteness.
So it's 49? 49 and a quarter?
Dale leaves us with some additional work to be done before he returns. putting on Red Guard, which goes on the cement board in the shower and the floor, as you can see. That is a waterproofing agent. He had put the mesh on, which you saw earlier, which binds the pieces together. And this is the last piece. Want to say hi, Jared?
No.
It's late. It's hot. I have a friend from our gym. Her name is Edith. And one of the days last week, she asked if I had chickens. She didn't realize I had chickens. So I told her, yes, I have chickens. And this video is for her. I've got scraps from kitchen, and we don't waste anything. Either it goes in the compost pile or it goes to the chickens. And then I water them every day and feed them every day. We have our chicken coop, and they are waiting for me to bring their food in. We've got my rocker chicks. We have Aretha, who is second to the back there. She's the oldest. We brought her actually from St. Augustine, and she and I shared the same birthday. And then we have, in no particular order because I can't keep them straight, Ann and Nancy Wilson, Pat Benatar, Joan Jett, and Deborah Harry. And they've all run away from me. Here's all our kitchen scraps, which they will love. Here they come. Look at them run. Look at them run. Here you go, girls. Here comes Grandma. Oh no, it's Blondie. Let me go over into the coop. And I'll check their food. Oh, I actually have a lot of food in there. I'll just give them a sprinkle more. Not too much. Alright. And some water. Pretty hot here today. So we'll fill that up. Alright, pretty good. And then we'll harvest our eggs. Look at them all. Enjoying those scraps, girls. Awesome. Now I fill up the pan here. To have a different water source for them. This is the one in their chicken coop. Say goodbye, girls.
Got a new weapon. This is like the old man lazy version. You're supposed to get down there and pull this up. But since that's for people a lot younger and stronger than I am, I have this. Don't forget, all of that is done while you're sitting and waiting for your intended prey to show up. And then you sit and you wait. So now we're all loaded up just like Daryl. We'll see how this goes. That hit anywhere near the birds of eye.
I see. Okay, make a cow. Whoa, look at that cool cow. Give him horns. See the horns?
A dove.
Yeah, we got all them still. You drive the car? Yeah, wow. Yeah. Driving? Wow.